Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set a custom ringtone on Motorola Edge 70. So if you want to set your favorite song or any other sound as a ringtone on your Motorola Edge 70, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first up, you need to download an MP3 song of your choice from Google or from any other app that you can download MP3 files from. And if you did it, open up your settings and scroll down here to sound and vibration, phone ringtone, and choose whether between a SIM card or a eSIM. And here click add ringtone, all files or recents. Click on the song you choose and click this button right here to save it. Click OK, and basically that's it. That's how you set the custom ringtone on Motorola Edge 70. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.